Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to enter here the boot mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key on your device, keep holding power, choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. So here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing power volume down. So here you can enter the recovery, you may choose the fast boot, or if you would like to you can choose normal. So if you choose normal, your phone will boot into a normal mode and quit the boot mode. So let me do it. Let's highlight normal and press volume down to confirm it. Right now the device is exiting the boot mode. Excellent, as you can see the home screen just pops up, so now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.